Hello everyone, a special thank you to JP in Palmdale, California. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the hardest working optician in the industry. My name is See More Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm going to have you see Mo Better, look and Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you JP's very unique color. This is the Ray-Ban 2132 new Wayfarer. Everyone knows that, but this is color 945, which is the honey crystal with the black temples. This frame used to be available in the 52 and 55 eye size. It is no longer available in the 52. I don't know why. It used to be available in non-polarized in the 55. You can't even do that. It's only available now with polarized lenses. Now he got this, the Essilor Transitions XTRActive Gray with the gold flash mirror. And you can see it looks like it has a gold anti-glare coating on steroids that's in there now. And I'm going to show you how cool this looks once it is activated. So I'm going to go ahead and expose it to a strong burst of ultraviolet light. Now, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for the lenses to darken. A little bit longer when you come back inside, 45 seconds to a minute 15 to return back to virtually clear. Now, this is important. Everyone pay attention. All photochromic lenses will get dark on day one and continue to darken every day for the first couple weeks they're exposed to the sun. After that, they will work for years at maximum performance. The only time they won't work is if you're behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays that would cause your dashboard to crack. That's why they don't turn dark in a car. Now, if you have a convertible or a motorcycle, yes. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Now, he got the Transitions XTRActive Gray. When he looks out, he sees the dark gray. When everyone looks at him, he sees that awesome gold mirror in there. That goes so well in this color frame. I just had to show everyone what this looked like. Now, they're also temperature sensitive, meaning they'll get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable. Nobody works 100% when it's 100 degrees outside. We all work much better when it cools off. Now, having said that, these Transitions XTRActive are designed for extra active people who spend extra amounts of time outside. So if you live in a hot climate, or if you just want the darkest lens possible, go with the XTRActive. Now, this is available in gray or brown with the Essilor style mirrors that come in silver, gold, green, blue, red, and pink. So Zeiss offers them in gray only. Essilor does the gray and the XTRActive brown. So the other nice thing, these have blue light protection already built in. Photochromic lenses were the original blue light protection. They have 50 to 70% blue light built into it. So you have that. Now, it also comes with its own back surface anti-glare coating from Essilor, so no additional anti-glare needs to be purchased. It cannot be added. The front of the mirror is slick as glass. The front of the lens, I should say, to have the mirror coating applied, so you cannot add any more anti-glare coating. So if you have any questions, just go to the Contact Me page of the website. You can call Jigsaw live to get questions answered immediately. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. But JP, thanks for your patience. And again, thanks for your purchase of the Ray-Ban 2132 new Wayfarer, color 945. That only comes in the 55 eye size. I'll have a link in the description below. Again, he got the Transitions XTRActive Gray. You're going to get all with the gold flash mirror, you get all the packaging from Ray-Ban. The soft leather Italian case with the Ray-Ban cleaning cloth with the junk mail, because you just don't get enough in your mailbox now. You get the original polarized lenses that come with this frame in this particular color. So again, thanks for your purchase. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you, and carry on, JP.